How to use journaling to reconnect with yourself. A pen, a piece of paper. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, these tools can become the gateway to self-discovery, clarity, and a deeper connection with your soul. Today, I'm going to show you something so simple that can have such a profound impact on your life. Welcome back to the Soul Aligned Living Blueprint mini-series. I'm Katie Joy, founder of The Global Butterfly, and your guide on this beautiful journey to living authentically with intention and purpose. Today, we're diving into one of my all-time favorite practices, journaling. If you ever felt overwhelmed, disconnected, or unsure of your next step, journaling can be your sanctuary, a safe space to express, reflect, and reconnect. And no, you don't need to be a writer. You don't need fancy notebooks or perfect sentences. You just need you, your thoughts, and a little curiosity. Here's the thing, journaling isn't just about recording your day. It's about meeting yourself on the page. It's about giving yourself permission to say the things that you can't always say out loud, even to yourself. When you write, you're not just dumping thoughts, you're clearing space. You're untangling the knots in your mind and connecting with the deeper wisdom that's already within you. In fact, journaling is one of the foundational tools that I teach in the Awaken Soul program. Why? Because it builds self-awareness, clarity, and soul connection. And honestly, it's one of the easiest, most accessible tools we have. Now, if you're someone who's been staring at a blank page, unsure of where to start, don't worry. I've got you. Here are 3 simple yet powerful prompts to kickstart your journaling practice. 1. What does my soul need to know today? Let your pen flow without overthinking. Trust whatever comes up. 2. When was the last time that I felt truly alive? And what was I doing? This can reveal so much about your passion and purpose. 3. What am I willing to release that's no longer serving me? Get honest with yourself. These prompts aren't just questions. They're doorways. They'll lead you straight into your inner world. If you're ready to go even deeper, I've created a free ebook just for you. 5 reasons why you absolutely can find yourself and live a life filled with meaning, joy, and fulfillment. Inside, you'll discover more prompts, powerful tools, and insights to guide your self-discovery journey. You can grab it for free by clicking the link in the description box. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you someone who loves to journal regularly? Or is this a practice you're excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below or send me a message. And if you're on YouTube, remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in this series. Share this with a friend who you think would get great value with it too. And like so that I can actually get some feedback from you if you love this content. If you're on the audio channels as a podcast, then also make sure you save this as a playlist for you. Journaling is one of the most profound gifts that you can give yourself. It's not just about words on paper. It's about reconnecting with your soul, one sentence at a time. Until next time, from my heart to yours, with lots of love, light, and manifesting miracles, magic, and more. I'll see you on the next episode. Katie Joy, The Global Butterfly.